Okay, fine, thank you. So I already have started with our first unit, and the name of the unit is nothing but tree. Okay. Basically, what do you mean by tree? Tree is nothing but, as you know, tree is a graph. Okay. mm, Without any cycle, or you can say without any circuit. Okay. uh, and what do you mean by graph? What do you mean by graph? Graph is nothing but it is a finite set of vertices, okay, and edges. Okay. In short, in short, in terms of mathematics, we represent our graph like this. Okay. uh, Graph is nothing but it is a set of vertices comma edges. Okay. I just make it as a capital. Okay. So first, what do you mean by graph? Graph is nothing but it is a finite set of vertices and edges. In mathematics, it is represented as v equal to, it is v comma e, where v is the finite set of vertices and e is nothing but it is finite set of edges. Like here I am representing v set like this: v equal to, okay, it is v1 comma v2 up to the, we can have n number of edges vn. Okay. Similarly, age set here I am representing like this: it is e1 comma e2 up to the en. Okay. So it is G set, which is made up of V and E. It is V set, which is set of finite set of vertices, and it is E set, it is finite set of edges. Okay. Now, here I am taking an example. Okay. For example, if you consider, suppose this is vertex 1. Okay, it is a second vertex, vertex 2. This is the third vertex, vertex 3. It becomes fourth vertex, vertex 4, and it is our suppose fifth vertex, vertex 5. Okay. And I am adding edges like this. Okay. Mm, and suppose I just name those edges like E1, uh, then E2, then E3, then E4, then E5, and then E6. Okay, these are nothing but these are the edges. So here I am representing my vertex set as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. And what is edge set? If you go through this diagram, there are 5 vertices: e1, e2, e3 up to the e6. So this is your edge set: e1, e2, up to the e6. So this is nothing but it is your graph. Okay. Again, I have reformed definition of tree. What is tree? Tree is nothing but it is a graph. Underline this word: tree is nothing but it is what? It is a graph. But which kind of the graph? It is a graph without any cycle. Cycle is nothing but it is closed loop. For example, if you consider this part, okay, 1 2 3 1, this is one closed loop. Okay, again 1 2 4 5 1, this is again your second closed loop. Again 1 2 3 4 5 1 again. So in graph you have closed loop. But what do you mean by tree? Tree is nothing but, suppose here I am taking an example of tree: 1, then 2, suppose this is 3, third vertex, it becomes fourth vertex, and it becomes fifth vertex. Okay. Now here I am adding this edge: e1, e2, then this E3, then this E4. Okay, now this is nothing but it is an example of tree. Okay, why this is so? Because it is if you see uh, at this, it is first diagram and it is second diagram. If you look at this second diagram, what happens? Okay, you are having this tree is a graph. Why graph? Because it is having finite vertex set as well as edge set. But is there any cycle? Is there any closed loop? No. Therefore, it is an example of tree. Okay. Here number of vertices it is equal to 5, and in discrete mathematics last semester, you know, if the number of vertices it becomes n in a tree, then what are the number of edges? It becomes n minus 1. Okay, consider any tree. Consider any tree. If you have n number of vertices, number of edges, it becomes what? N minus 1. See, this is edge number 1, edge number 2, edge number 3, edge number 4. Okay, and number of vertices are 5. 5 vertices, 4 edges. Are you getting me or not? Hello, are you getting me or not? Is it fine? Direct second year students, is it fine? Are you getting me or not? Immediately I want reply within a 1 millisecond. Okay, fine. So up till now what we have seen what do you mean by graph, what do you mean by tree, what is the difference between graph and tree. Tree is nothing but it is a graph without any cycle or without any circuit. Okay, then again today we have to start with our our unit. The name of the unit is tree. Okay, I already have explained what do you mean by tree. Tree is nothing but it is a graph without any cycle or without any circuit. Okay, fine. Now here types of the tree. Okay, what are the types of the tree? Binary tree. Okay, then what are the types of the binary tree? Here I am first type is nothing but it is fully binary tree. Okay, next type is nothing but it is what? Perfect binary tree. Okay, perfect binary tree. Next type is nothing but it is what? It is complete binary tree. Next type is nothing but it is what? Okay, these are types of the trees. Okay, binary tree, comma, general tree. These are nothing but these are types of the tree. Okay, here just I mention types of tree. What are types of tree? These are types of tree. Binary tree, comma, general tree. And these are nothing but these are types of binary tree. Okay, these are types of binary tree. What are types of binary tree? Fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, complete binary tree. Then here I am taking skewed binary tree. Skewed binary tree. Okay, and again there are two types of skewed binary tree. Okay, skewed binary tree. Here I am taking the skewed binary tree, and again you are having two types. Okay, again you are having um, two types of skewed binary tree. What are this? What are those? Okay, it becomes left skewed or it become right skewed. Okay, see, we already have seen what do you mean by tree. Tree is nothing but it is a graph without any cycle or without any circuit. What are types of tree? Binary tree, general tree. What are types of binary tree? Fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, complete binary tree, skewed binary tree. There are two types of skewed binary tree, left skewed and right skewed. Now I will explain those concepts one by one with the help of example. See, if you go through your previous question paper, or this time also your theoretical question paper, it is not possible to have your question paper without having this question. Write a short note on or define fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, or it is also known as strictly binary tree. Okay, uh, strictly binary tree. Okay, a complete binary tree and skewed binary tree. Okay, once again I repeat, at the time of theory exam, definitely you are having this question for 6 marks. Okay, what is the question? Explain or define fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, or strictly binary tree, uh, complete binary tree, and skewed binary tree. Now we will define this concept. I'm going to define this concept one by one. First, binary tree. Okay, what do you mean by binary tree? Okay, the definition of binary tree is, okay, in case of binary tree, here just I define binary tree. Okay, in case of binary tree, okay, every internal node has, here I define, every internal node has maximum two children. Okay, this is the definition of binary tree. What is the definition of binary tree? In case of binary tree, every internal node has maximum two children. Okay, minimum you can have one. Okay, maximum, how many maximum? Two children. For example, okay, if you consider this tree here, suppose this is the vertex 1, it is having two children, uh, 2 and 3. Okay, suppose again this 2 is having again two children. Okay, these are suppose these are 4 and it becomes 5. Okay, again this 5 is having suppose only one children, 6. Okay, now 3, this 3 is having again two children, suppose 7 and 8. Okay, again this 8 is having two children, suppose 9 and it become suppose 10. Okay, and this 7 is having suppose only one children, or suppose it is children like 11. Okay, now if you look at this diagram, okay, as you know, this is nothing but it is our root node. Okay, this is nothing but it is our root node. Okay, every tree it begins with root node. What are the leaf node? Okay, if you look at this 4, at this 6, okay, this 11, this is 9, and this is the 10. These all are nothing but, these are all are known as what? Leaf node, or you can say leaves. Okay, these are nothing but these are the leaves. What do you mean by leaves? These are at the, it lies at the end. Okay, leaves do not have any child. Okay, so what are the leaf node? 4, 6, 11, 9, 10, these all are the leaf node. And what about this node? This 2, this 3, then this 5, okay, this 7, this 8. Okay, these all are nothing but these all are known as internal node. What do you mean by internal node? These are the node, okay, in the tree which are not leaves. Okay, are you getting me or not? What do you mean by internal node? Internal nodes are nothing but these are the node except leaf node. Okay, that is one is root, 2 is internal node, 3 is internal node. Then this again 4 is leaf node, 5 is internal node, 7 is internal node, 8 is internal node, 6 is leaf node, 11 is leaf node, 9 is leaf node, 10 is leaf node. Okay, have you got the concept of root node, leaf nodes, and internal node? Have you got the concept of root node, leaf node, and internal node? Is it fine? once again. Okay, and our focus is on binary tree. Okay, if you consider this tree, okay, one is having two children. What are those? 2 and 3. Okay, then 2 is having two children, 4 and 5. 3 is having two children, 7 and 8. 5 is having only one child. Yes, it is okay. 5 is having only one child. 7 is having only one child. 8 is having two children, 8 and 9. So, in this example, every internal node is having maximum two children. Okay, दोन पेक्षा जास्त आहेत का चिल्ड्रन? नाही, मॅक्सिमम टू चिल्ड्रन, मिनिमम एक असलं तरी चालेल. ओके, सो दिस इज नोन ॲज बायनरी ट्री. वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. For example, if you consider this, it is one root node, suppose 2, then it is 3. Okay, then 2 is having suppose only one child, 5. This 3 is having two children, 5 and 6. Okay, then this 6 is having two children, what? 7 and 8. Okay, now if you look at this diagram, one is nothing but it is known as what? Root node. Okay, one is the root node. What are the leaf node? This 4 is the leaf node. Then this 5 is the leaf node, 7 is the leaf node, 8 is the leaf node. And what are the internal node? 2 is the internal node, 3 is the internal node, then 6 is the internal node. Okay, if you look at this diagram, if you look at each and every node is having, every internal node is having maximum two children. Okay, for example, if you consider this one, it is having two children, 2 and 3. If you consider this 2 node, it is having only one child, 2. If you consider this node 3, it is having two children, 5 and 6. If you consider this 6, it is having two children, 7 and 8. It means every internal node is having maximum two children. Therefore, this is an example of binary tree. Is it fine? Have you got the concept of binary tree? Have you got the concept of binary tree? Is it fine? Is it fine? Have you got the concept of binary tree? Okay, next concept is nothing but, okay, general tree. I come to general tree later. Okay, first we will see types of binary tree. Okay, fully binary tree. Okay, what do you mean by fully binary tree? Okay, the definition of the fully binary tree is here. I already have discussed what do you mean by fully binary tree. See, in case of fully binary tree, uh, every node has zero or two children. Okay, once again I repeat, our concept is fully binary tree. In case of fully binary tree, here just I mention, in case of fully binary tree, what? Every internal node has either zero or two children. Okay, uh, our focus is now on fully binary tree. What do you mean by fully binary tree? Okay, we have gone through binary tree. What happens in binary tree? Every internal node has maximum two children. That is, a node can have either uh, zero child or one child or two children. Now, what do you mean by fully binary tree? In case of fully binary tree, if you consider any internal node, it has either zero or two children. For example, suppose this is one is the root node. Okay, it is having two children, 2 and 3. Okay, this 2 is having suppose again two children, this 4 and this 5. Okay, again this 5 is having two children, suppose this 6 and this 7. Okay, now if you consider this as an example and see, every internal node is having either 0 or two children. For example, one is having two children, 2 and 3. 2 is having two children, 4 and 5. 5 is having two children. 6. 5 is having two children. 6 and 7. That is here every internal node is having either two or two children. Okay, suppose in this example, 3 is having only one child, and it is suppose 8. Now tell me, is it an example of now fully binary tree? Is it an example of fully binary tree? Because is it an example of fully binary tree? No. Why this is so? Because what happens in fully binary tree? What is the concept? Every internal node is having either zero or two children. But in this diagram, 3 is having one child. 3 is having one child. So this cannot. You can't say it as fully binary tree. Okay, another example of fully binary tree. Suppose it is node A, okay, which is having two children. What are those? Suppose B and C. This C is having two children. Suppose D and E, okay. This E is having again two children. What are those? Suppose this F and this G, okay. Again this B is having two children, H, and it becomes I. So if you look at this diagram, every internal node is having either zero or two children. So it is an example of fully binary tree. I hope now you are well familiar with the concept of fully binary tree. Is it fine? Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay, next. Our next concept is what? Perfect binary tree. Okay, now what do you mean by it is also known as strictly binary tree? What is perfect binary tree? Imperfect binary tree. Okay, uh, again the same thing. What? Every internal node has either zero or two children, and there is one more condition, and all leaf nodes are at the same level. Okay, see what is perfect binary tree? Again, in perfect binary tree also, like fully binary tree, every internal node is having either zero or two children, as well as here we are having one more condition. Which condition? All leaf nodes are at the same level. And sorry, what is another condition? And all leaf nodes are at the same level. Now, if you consider this diagram, okay, what are the leaf node? H, I, uh, okay, then D, then F, G. These are the leaf node. H, I, D, E, G. But are the leaf node are lying at the same level? No. Okay, बरोबर आहे ना? ही ट्रिक कुठली आहे? परफेक्ट बायनरी ट्री. आता परफेक्ट बायनरी ट्री मध्ये काय, तर फुल्ली बायनरी ट्री सारखंच प्रत्येक नोडला इधर झिरो और टू चिल्ड्रन असणार. बट इथं वन एक कंडिशन काय आहे, तर सगळ्या लिफ नोड एका सेम लेवलला असणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ यू consider this example, suppose it is the root node, one is having suppose two children. What are those? It is 2 and it is 3. Okay, again this 2 is having two children. What are those? It becomes 4 and it becomes 5. Okay, again this 3 is having two children. What are those? 6 and 7. Okay, again this 4 is having two children. What are those? Suppose 8 and 9. Okay, again this 5 is having two children. What are those? Suppose 10, 11. Again this 6 is having two children, 12, 13. And again if this 7 is having two children, suppose 14 and 15. Now if you consider this example, suppose here I am making these all are node, or assume these are nodes. Okay, now if you look at this example, every internal node is having either 0 or 2 children, and all the leaf nodes are lying at the same level. Okay, see the definition of fully binary tree. Sorry, perfect binary tree. A binary tree is a perfect binary tree in which all internal node have 2 children and all leaf nodes are at the same level. So this is the thing which I already have explained. This is second, perfect binary tree. Okay, it is nothing but it is what? Perfect binary tree. So what is perfect binary tree? In perfect binary tree, every internal node has 2 children and all leaf nodes are at the same level. Okay, just I refine the definition. Every internal node has, you can say, 2 children and all leaf nodes are at the same level. Are you getting me or not? Have you got the difference between fully binary tree and perfect binary tree? In fully binary tree, what happens? Every internal node is having either 0 or 2 children. And what is the thing in perfect binary tree? Here every internal node is having compulsory 2 children and all leaf nodes are at the same level. Are you getting me or not? Hello everyone, are you getting me or not? Are you getting me or not? Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. One more example I am taking. Okay. Suppose it is 1, mm, it is again 2, it is again 3. Okay. It is again 4, it is again 5, it is again 6, it is again 7. Okay, simple example. Okay, is it binary tree? Is it binary tree? Yes, it is binary tree. Is it fully binary tree? Is it fully binary tree? Yes. Why? Because every internal node is having either 0 or 2 children. Okay. And is it now strictly binary tree? Is it strictly binary tree? Yes. Why? Because every internal node is having 2 children and all the leaf nodes are lying at the same level. बरोबर आहे ना? बायनरी ट्री आहे का? आहे का? कारण प्रत्येक इंटरनल नोडला मॅक्सिमम 2 चिल्ड्रन आहेत. फुल्ली बायनरी ट्री आहे का? येस. व्हाय? बिकॉज एव्हरी इंटरनल नोडला आयदर 0 और 2 चिल्ड्रन आहेत. ओके. स्ट्रिक्टली बायनरी ट्री आहे का? येस. व्हाय? बिकॉज एव्हरी इंटरनल नोड इज हॅव्हिंग every internal node is having compulsory 2 children and all leaf nodes are lying at the same level. Okay, suppose I modify this diagram like this. Okay, it becomes now 8, it becomes now 9. Okay, now tell me, is it strictly binary tree? Is it belong to this? Is it strictly binary tree? Is it strictly binary tree? No. Why this is so? Because uh, in in perfect binary tree, leaf nodes are lying at the same level. Okay, but here uh, it does not happen. Is it fully binary tree? Is it fully binary tree? Yes. Why this is so? Because every internal node is having either 0 or 2 children. Okay. I hope now you are well familiar with binary tree, then fully binary tree and perfect binary tree. Is it fine? Is it fine? Be fast. Is it fine? Can I switch towards next concept, complete binary tree? Can I switch towards next concept, complete binary tree? Okay, fine. See, what do you mean by complete binary tree? Okay, so in complete binary tree, what happens? A binary tree is a complete binary tree if all the levels are completely filled except possibly the last level. And in the last level, what happens at the last level, all keys are as left as possible. म्हणजेच काय तर सेकंड लास्ट लेवल पर्यंत ती ट्री तुमची कंप्लीट असणार आहे आणि लास्ट लेवल इनकम्प्लीट असणार as well as the thing is that mostly keys are as left as possible. The keys are as left as possible. For example, here consider an example of complete binary tree. Suppose this is 1, okay, level 1, it becomes 2, okay, it becomes 3, okay, again suppose it becomes 4, okay, it becomes 5, again it becomes 6, uh, it becomes 7, okay, and now suppose this is the last level, it becomes 8, okay, it becomes 9, and it becomes, suppose there is only one 10. So this is nothing but it is complete binary tree. What is the scenario of complete binary tree? In complete binary tree, the tree is complete till at the second last level. Okay, that is in complete binary tree, all the levels are completely filled except the last level, and at the last level keys are left. See, at the last level what happens, at the last level what happens, keys are as left as possible. Okay, so what is complete binary tree? A complete binary tree, in complete binary tree all the levels are completely filled except possibly the last level, and at the last level all keys are as left as possible. For example, this all keys are as incomplete binary tree, every level is completely filled except the last level, and at the last level keys are as left as possible. Is it fine? Is it fine? Are you getting me or not? Have you got the concept of what binary tree? Then fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, complete binary tree. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Is it okay now? काही प्रॉब्लेम इथपर्यंत? काय प्रॉब्लेम इथपर्यंत? Okay, fine. So I would like to revise the things which we have seen up till now. Okay, up till now we have seen what we have seen, the difference between graph and tree. What is graph? Graph is nothing but it is a finite set of vertices and edges. What do you mean by tree? Tree is nothing but it is a graph without any cycle. What are types of the tree? Binary tree, general tree. What do you mean by binary tree? In binary tree, every internal node has maximum 2 children. Okay, next types of binary tree. What are types of binary tree? Fully binary tree, perfect binary tree, complete binary tree. What do you mean by fully binary tree? In fully binary tree, every internal node has either 0 or 2 children. What is perfect binary tree? In perfect binary tree, every internal node has 2 children, and all the leaf node lies at the same level. What is complete binary tree? In complete binary tree, every node is completely filled except the last level, and at the last level keys are as left as possible. Is it fine? Is it fine? Hello, is it fine? Okay, next skewed binary tree. Okay, next type is nothing but skewed binary tree. There are two types, left skewed and right skewed. And what do you mean by skewed? Left skewed binary tree. In left skewed binary tree, every internal node has left child without possibly having right child. Okay, for example, this is an example of left skewed binary tree. Okay, this is an example of what? Left skewed binary tree. In left skewed binary tree, what happens? Okay, our current concept is skewed binary tree. Our current concept is skewed binary tree. There are two types, left skewed and right skewed. What do you mean by left skewed? In left skewed binary tree, every internal node has left child without having right child. Okay, and what do you mean by right skewed? In right skewed, every internal node has a right child without possibly having left child. Okay, see, this is right skewed. If you look at this diagram, okay, this first diagram is of left skewed and is right skewed. See, in left skewed, every internal node is having left child, okay, without having right child. So this is left skewed, and in the right skewed second diagram, every internal node is having right child, okay, without having left child. Is it fine? Is it fine? Is it fine? Can I switch towards the concept of general tree? Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. Now, the most important thing, now I am going to discuss general tree and how to convert this general tree into binary tree, because you may have such kind of the question. You will be given general tree, and you will ask the question, convert general tree into binary tree. What do you mean by general tree? For example, in general tree, a node has every internal in general tree, every internal node has more than two children. Okay, for example, if you consider this A, okay, now it is A is having two children, three children, B, C, D. Okay, again B is having two children, suppose E and F. Okay, and this D is having again three children. What are those? Suppose these are G, H, and I. Okay, सो ॲज्युम इट ॲज अ नोड. हे आता प्रत्येक वेळेस हे असं सर्कल मी ड्रॉ करत बसत नाही. कन्सिडर करा की हे सगळे आपले नोड आहेत. ओके, so this is nothing but it is an example of general tree. In general tree, what happens? What is the definition of general tree? In general tree, every internal node has here we do not have limitation ki number of nodes should be maximum. Okay, and every internal node can have more than two children. Okay, is it fine? Have you got the concept of general tree? Is it fine? What do you mean by general tree? In general tree, every internal node has more than two children. Okay, that is, I refine the definition. Every internal node has maximum more than two children. That is, a node can has maximum one child, two children, three children, or whatever it may be. Now, our next concept is here. Just I general tree to binary tree. Now here I would like to convert general tree to binary tree. Okay, but before moving towards this, have you got the difference between what do you mean by binary tree and general tree? Binary tree मध्ये कसं तर एक प्रत्येक इंटरनल नोडला मॅक्सिमम टू चिल्ड्रन असणार आहेत. मॅक्सिमम टू म्हणजे काय? एखाद्या इंटरनल नोडला वन सुद्धा असू शकतो चाइल्ड, मॅक्सिमम टू चिल्ड्रन. आणि जनरल ट्री मध्ये कसं एखाद्या इंटरनल नोडला चाइल्ड असेल, दोन असतील, तीन असतील, चार असतील. दॅट इज an internal node can have n number of children. Are you agree with this statement? My statement is, in general tree, an internal node can have n number of children. बरोबर आहे ना? जनरल ट्री मध्ये एखाद्या इंटरनल नोडला असं काही नाही की दोन चिल्ड्रन असतील किंवा एक चाइल्ड असेल, तीन चिल्ड्रन असतील, चार चिल्ड्रन असतील. आर यू ऍग्री विथ माय स्टेटमेंट? आर यू ऍग्री विथ माय स्टेटमेंट? ओके, आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय, तर जनरल ट्री कन्वर्ट करायची आहे आपल्याला बायनरी ट्री मध्ये. तर ती कशी कन्वर्ट करायची? माय हंबल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल दी 71 स्टुडंट, Listen the thing carefully. Okay, in order to convert general tree to binary tree, I am going to make use of one concept, leftmost child right sibling method. Leftmost child right sibling. Okay, sibling in Marathi, siblings means what? Do you know what do you mean by siblings? Anyone? What do you mean by siblings? Sibling means in Marathi a child of one parent, or you can say bhavan, or you can say yes. These are the child from the same parent. Okay, fine. So here you have to first convert, in order to convert general tree to binary tree. First step is what? You have to represent general tree in this fashion. Which fashion? Leftmost child right sibling fashion. For example, आता हे आपण काय करू, एक जनरल ट्री ड्रॉ करू इथं. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिस इज द ट्री. ए रूट नोड आहे. इट इज हॅव्हिंग सपोज 2 चिल्ड्रन. कुठले 3 चिल्ड्रन. कुठले कुठले आहेत? सपोज बी, सी आणि डी. ओके, अगेन बी इज हॅव्हिंग 2 चिल्ड्रन. सपोज दीज आर दी ई अँड एफ. C is having suppose only one child, G, and D is having again suppose 3 children, H, I, J. ओके, H, I, J. ओके, ही झाली आपली जनरल ट्री. आता इथं आपल्याला ही जनरल ट्री कन्वर्ट करायची आहे. कशामध्ये? बायनरी ट्री मध्ये. तर मी इथं तुम्हाला सांगितलं, पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय करणार? रिप्रेझेंटेशन. व्हॉट? इथं लिहितो मी, लेफ्टमोस्ट चाइल्ड राइट सिबलिंग. लेफ्टमोस्ट चाइल्ड राइट सिबलिंग. इथं रिप्रेझेंटेशन असणार आहे माझं. कसलं रिप्रेझेंटेशन असणार आहे? लेफ्टमोस्ट चाइल्ड राइट सिबलिंग. ओके, आता ते कसं रिप्रेझेंट करायचं? तर हे रूट आहे, हे रूट इथं लिहिलं. ओके, लेफ्ट. आता ए इज हॅव्हिंग हाऊ मेनी चिल्ड्रन? 3 चिल्ड्रन. कुठले कुठले आहेत? बी, सी आणि डी. ओके, तर तुम्ही मला सांगा, आउट ऑफ दीज 3 चिल्ड्रन विच वन इज द लेफ्टमोस्ट? लेफ्टमोस्टला कुठला आहे तो चिल्ड्रन? लेफ्टमोस्टला कुठला चाइल्ड आहे? माय क्वेश्चन इज, ए ला 3 चिल्ड्रन आहेत, बी, सी, डी. त्यापैकी लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे? तुम्ही मला सांगा, लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे? बी. ओके, तर इथं मी काय करणार? ए च्या लेफ्टला बी. ओके, आणि लेफ्टमोस्ट चाइल्ड आयडेंटिफाय केला बी. आणि आता त्याचे सिबलिंग कुठले? बी चे सिबलिंग कुठले कुठले आहेत? सी आणि डी. ओके, बी चे सिबलिंग कुठले कुठले आहेत? सी आणि डी. तर ते मी सिबलिंग असे रिप्रेझेंट करणार इथं. ओके, तसंच पुढं बी चे किती चिल्ड्रन आहेत? 2, ई आणि एफ. त्यापैकी लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे? ई. तर बी च्या लेफ्टमोस्टला ई घेतला लेफ्टला, आणि ई ला एकच सिबलिंग आहे, तो कुठला असेल? एफ. ओके, आता सी ला लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे का? सी ला लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे का? नाही. ओके, एकच आहे राईट. इट बिकम्स ॲज इट इज. तो राईटला आहे, तो ॲज इट इज तसंच आपण ठेवूया. आणि तसंच डी ला किती? 3 चिल्ड्रन आहेत, एच, आय, जे. त्यापैकी लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे? एच. हा एच इथं लिहिला, आणि त्याची जी सिबलिंग्स आहेत ना, ते इथं आपण असे लिहूयात, आय आणि जे. ओके, and this is nothing but this is leftmost child right sibling. काहीच नाही करायचं, फक्त हा रूट आहे ऍज इट इज. हा रूट इथं लिहिला. ओके, मी काय केलं? आता ए ला 3 चिल्ड्रन आहेत. कुठले कुठले? बी, सी आणि डी. त्यापैकी लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला आहे? बी. तर एच्या लेफ्टला बी घेतला, आणि त्याचे जे म्हणजे हे ब्रदरच आहेत ना, सी आणि डी, सिबलिंग, ते आपण इथं लिहिले. तसंच बी ला 2 चिल्ड्रन आहेत, ई आणि एफ. लेफ्टमोस्ट कुठला? बी च्या लेफ्टला ई घेतला, आणि त्याचा जो ब्रदर आहे एफ, तो इथं लिहिला. आता सी ला एकच आहे राईट चाइल्ड, तो ऍज इट इज राईटला लिहिला. आता डी ला परत 3 चिल्ड्रन आहेत, एच आय जे लेफ्ट मोस्ट कुठला, एच तो लेफ्टला लिहिला आणि आय जे. Okay, this is nothing but this is leftmost child right sibling representation. And once you are ready with this leftmost child right sibling representation, you can draw binary tree. आता तुम्ही तुमची बायनरी ट्री इथं ड्रॉ करणार. आता ती कशी ड्रॉ करायची, खूप सिंपल आहे. ए इथं लिहिला आपण, ए इथं लिहिला आपण. एच्या लेफ्टला कोण आहे, बी. एच्या लेफ्टला कोण आहे इथं, बी. आणि बी चे सिबलिंग जे आहेत ना, सी डी, ते बीच्या राईटला आपण लिहिणार. बी चे सिबलिंग सी आणि डी. ओके, बी चे सिबलिंग जे आहेत ते सी डी आपण राईटला लिहिले. तसंच तसंच इथं काय केलं आपण, हा डी जो आहे, हा डी जो आहे तो आपण काय करणार, डीच्या राईटला एच, डीच्या एच. ओके, सॉरी, डी एच आणि त्याचे जे सिबलिंग आहेत ते एचच्या राईटला आय, आयच्या राईटला जे. ओके, रिमेनिंग टास्क इज व्हॉट, सी. आता हा जी आहे ना तो इथं लिहिणार तुम्ही सीच्या लेफ्टला. ऍक्च्युली हा जरी राईटला असला तरी एकच चाइल्ड आहे, त्यामुळं तोच लेफ्ट मोस्ट झाला ना, बरोबर आहे ना. सी ला इथं एकच चाइल्ड आहे ना, जे आपण पहिल्यांदा काय फाइंड आउट करतोय, लेफ्ट मोस्ट चाइल्ड. आता एकच चाइल्ड आहे तो राईट, म्हणजे तोच लेफ्ट मोस्ट झाला ना. मग इथं काय करू आपण डायग्राम मध्ये ना, इथं तो लेफ्ट मोस्ट आपण दाखवू. हा जो सी चा जो आहे ना, सी ला एकच चाइल्ड आहे ना, जी. म्हणजे आपल्याला आपण प्रत्येक नोटचा लेफ्ट मोस्ट फाइंड आउट करतोय, म्हणजे इथं आला जी. आणि इथं काय केलं आपण बघा, ए एच्या लेफ्टला बी, बी आणि त्याचे राईट जे सिबलिंग आहेत सी डी, ते राईटला दिले. सीच्या लेफ्टला जी ऍज इट इज. परत डीच्या लेफ्टला एच आणि त्याचे आय जे इथं. तसंच आता हे राहिलंय का, बीच्या लेफ्टला ई, बरोबर ना, हा राहिलाय ना. बीच्या लेफ्टला ई, ईच्या राईटला एफ. अँड दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज बायनरी ट्री रिप्रेझेंटेशन. इज इट फाईन? एक मिनिट. Are you getting me or not? Are you getting me or not? Hello, are you getting me or not? How to convert general tree into binary tree? So first you have to convert this general tree. You have to represent it by using which representation? Leftmost child right sibling representation. And once your this general tree, once your this tree is ready with this representation, directly you can convert it to binary tree. हे समजतंय का? इथं काय केलं, सी द राईट ऑफ सी इज जी. ओके ना, आपण आपण एकच चाइल्ड आहे त्यामुळे लेफ्ट मोस्ट तोच झाला ना, म्हणून तो जी कुठं रिप्रेझेंट केला, सीच्या लेफ्टला. वन मोर एक्झाम्पल, डोंट टेक एनी काइंड ऑफ द टेन्शन. ओके, सपोज दिस इज वन. ओके, वन इज हॅव्हिंग टू चिल्ड्रन, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this 3 is having, 2 is having one child. Suppose it is suppose 2 is having two children, 5 and 6. 3 is having one children, 7. 4 is having, suppose, 3 children. These are 8, it is 9, it is 10. समजतंय का? एक ला 3 चिल्ड्रन, 2, 3, 4. 2 ला 2 चाइल्ड, 5, 6. 3 ला 1 चाइल्ड, 7. 4 ला 8, 9. And here I just write it as 10. Represent given tree into binary tree. आता पहिल्यांदा आपण इथं काय करणार, लेफ्ट मोस्ट चाइल्ड राईट सिबलिंग रिप्रेझेंटेशन. ते कसं करायचं व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या, ज्यांना समजलं नाही त्यांनी. 1 रूट नोट, 1 रूट नोट. 1 ला किती चिल्ड्रन आहेत? 3, 2, 3, 4. ओके, 3 चिल्ड्रन, त्याचा लेफ्ट मोस्ट कुठला आहे? 2. मग तो त्याच्या लेफ्टला. आणि 2 चे जे सिबलिंग आहेत ते आपण इथं लिहिले. ओके, तसंच आता 2 ला 2 चिल्ड्रन 5-6 त्यांच्यापैकी लेफ्ट मोस्ट कुठला आहे 5 आहे. ओके, त्यामुळं 2 च्या लेफ्टला 5, त्याचा एक सिबलिंग 6. ओके, आता 3 ला किती चाइल्ड आहेत? एकच चाइल्ड आहे 7. त्यामुळं जरी तो राईटला असला तरी लेफ्ट मोस्ट पण तोच असणार ना. हा झाला इथं 7. ओके, 4 ला किती चिल्ड्रन? 3. 8, 9, 10. त्यापैकी लेफ्ट मोस्ट कुठला आहे 8. इट बिकम्स 8 4च्या लेफ्टला, आणि त्याचे आपण जे सिबलिंग्स आहेत ते इथं आपण रिप्रेझेंट केली. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज व्हॉट लेफ्ट मोस्ट child right sibling representation. And once you are ready with this representation, you can draw your binary tree. कशी ट्री ड्रॉ करायची मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. 1 1 1 च्या लेफ्टला 2, 1 च्या लेफ्टला 2. आता 2 चे जे सिबलिंग आहेत 3 4 ते कुठं रिप्रेझेंट करायचे? राईटला. 2 चा राईट 3, 3 चा राईट 4. ओके, पुढं आता 2 च्या लेफ्टला कोण आहे? 2 च्या लेफ्टला कोण आहे? 5. 2 च्या लेफ्टला 5. 5 चे सिबलिंग कोण आहेत? एकच आहे 6. तो 5 च्या राईटला. ओके, 3 च्या लेफ्टला 7 ॲज इट इज. 3 च्या लेफ्टला 7 ॲज इट इज. 4 च्या लेफ्टला 8 ॲज इट इज. 4 च्या लेफ्टला 8 ॲज इट इज. 8 चे सिबलिंग कशी रिप्रेझेंट करणार? इट बिकम्स 9 and it becomes 10, and this is nothing but it is your binary tree. बघा ना, या ट्री मध्ये if you consider each and every node, okay, in each and every internal node, म्हणजे प्रत्येक इंटरनल नोडला मॅक्सिमम 2 चिल्ड्रन आहेत ना. बायनरी ट्रीचा कन्सेप्ट काय? व्हॉट डू मीन बाय बायनरी ट्री? इन बायनरी ट्री एव्हरी इंटरनल नोड हॅज मॅक्सिमम 2 चिल्ड्रन. ओके, and if you verify that property, it gets cleared. Okay, I hope ki now you are well familiar with how to convert general tree into binary tree. Okay, how to convert general tree into binary tree? For that we have to, our first step is what? We have to represent general tree by using leftmost child right sibling representation. And once your this representation is ready, second step is what? Directly you have to convert this representation into binary tree. Okay, is it fine? Is it fine now? Is it fine? Perfect. Direct second year students, I want immediate reply from you guys. Just I stop my recording.